Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at the song called Christ Be Magnified, which was written by Corey Asbury and Cody Carnes. So there's two versions of this song out on the internet, and one is performed by Bethel Music and the other one is performed by Cody Carnes. So basically, both of them are the same song, sung by different people. So it's the same chord progression. The only key difference is the key. Bethel does it in the key of A flat, and Cody does it in the key of A. But other than that, they are the same. With a few minor differences, but yeah, they are the same song. So the song that I'll be doing is the one performed by Bethel Music, which is in the key of A flat or G sharp, if you may call it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over the key. Okay, so the song consists of an intro, a verse, interlude, chorus, and a bridge. Okay, so the intro starts with the G sharp major, followed by a D sharp major, into a C sharp major. Okay, so it starts like this. So I'll play it a bit slower for people who can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I start with the G sharp, with the C on the melody, to D sharp, C sharp. Okay, so that is the intro. So now going into the verses. All the verses are played the same, so I'll just show you one verse and it applies to all of them. Okay, so it starts with the G sharp major. And your next chord is a C sharp sus chord. Followed by A sharp, G sharp major. So the C sharp sus chord. And a G sharp over C into a E to a D sharp major. And then the next chord is a G sharp major with the D sharp bass. Into D sharp. And then that's when we go back to the chorus. Okay, so now I'm just gonna play the whole thing through. Okay, so that is how the first verse goes. So after that first verse, as you saw, I went into the intro. So after that intro, you go straight into the second verse. The same chords again. And one and two. Then we wait on G sharp into the chorus. And oh, Christ be magnified, Christ be magnified, Christ be magnified in me. Okay, so how the chorus goes is you start on the G sharp major. The passing chord is B flat minor into C sharp major. In the passing chord again is E flat or D sharp into F minor. Okay, I'm playing F minor 7. Okay, in the passing chord again, which is E flat or D sharp to C sharp, and you end off with the D sharp. Okay, so I'm gonna do it from the top. It's oh, Christ be magnified, Christ be magnified, Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified, let Christ be magnified, oh Christ be magnified in me. Okay, so the last part that we are now left over with is the bridge. So there's a little interlude that plays before the bridge actually commences. So at the end of the chorus, oh Christ be magnified in me. Then we go into that. Okay, so let me just go over the chords that we're playing for that. So it's C sharp major, followed by D sharp major, followed by F minor. I'm playing the 7th, and then play G sharp major with the C on the left hand. So it's a slash chord. And then you're holding each chord for 4 beats. So you can either play chords or you can play that riff for the entire bridge. So the way the riff starts is okay, so now I'm going to play it very slowly. Okay, so after that interlude section, That's when the bridge commences, and you're playing the same chords as you did in the interlude. So for the entire bridge, you're just playing the same 4 chords. Yeah, so and that's it, guys. So if you're new to this channel, so please make sure that you subscribe, and you can feel free to put your song requests in the comments section. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial, and hopefully I'll see you next time.